Here I've got Samsung A400 and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open menu, then find and select organizer right here, and let's go to time and date to change your date and time. And here at first you can change time, so let me select it and now enter the hour that you would like to apply. It can be, for example, 6 to 1st, then tap on OK, and then you can change the date at the same time, so smoothly enter some particular date. It can be 2008 and tap on OK. And that's it, so you've just changed both date and time in your device. You can also pick the format, so just click on format and select time format. You can pick either 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock, and here you've got the formats that you can apply to your date, so you can pick year at first, date at first, or month at first. So let me choose, for example, date, month, and year then. So this is it, that would be all. So you can change the date and time on your device in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.